Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to airdrop from your Android phone to an iPhone. You won't need to install any application or do any tricks. It is very simple, trust me. Alright, so the first thing you want to make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you verify that both of them are on the same Wi-Fi network, then go to snapdrop.net on both devices. Feel free to use any browser, whether it be Safari or Google Chrome. I would recommend that you make sure that none of the device's screens are turned off during this process, so set it to never sleep or always on. Once snapdrop.net loads up, you're going to see the other device pop up. Note that it will give you your device name in a random name. Once you see the iPhone pop up on your Android phone, just click on it and navigate to the file that you want to share, and just click share. Depending on the file size, it should pop up instantly on the iPhone, and all you need to do is just save the file to your iPhone. That's pretty much it. You can also do this the other way around by airdropping from your iPhone to your Android phone. One thing that I find happened to me while using snapdrop.net is sometimes it loses connection. When this happens, all you need to do is reload the page on both devices and you should connect back right away. Also, do not reload snapdrop.net while transferring files because it will interrupt the file process, which will either corrupt the file or stop the file from transferring. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment sections. If you want to know how to airdrop from your iPhone to a Windows PC, then check this video out. Peace.